All right, pick of the week, my own listing, 127 North May. We're in front of the house. You can actually enjoy some pretty cool views of the hills off a very peaceful and nice quiet street from this beautiful porch. We're looking at a Craftsman from 1922. We'll peek a little above the fence here and slowly walk in. So this is a special house. It's the only listing as of this morning that's under $1 million, way under $1 million, north of Foothill in Monrovia. I really enjoyed a couple of times. I sat in these seats here and chatted to the neighbors as they were passing by, and saying hello, 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 how are you doing? Good. So here we are at the door. I have shades down in the house so we don't have highlights from the sun coming in through the windows, and I think we're pretty good with that. So nice living area, space. It's a very open floor plan. There's cabinets right there, fireplace with a mantel. Looking from the door straight in, as you can see, the open floor plan. Right, there's one bedroom right on the side here, and this bedroom has a closet. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. The bathroom they have is behind this wall, so this closet, if needed, can be converted into a small bathroom with a shower, or kicking this cabinet out, it can be a much bigger one. Let's go down the hallway to the second bedroom, passing by a very large bathroom. All right. Then we have the second bedroom with closets, and the third bedroom. Everybody's asking if it's part of the original plan. Yes, it's just that they replaced the flooring, made it a office, and it kind of has a different feeling, but it's part of the house. This is the third bedroom. It's facing the garden and the patio, and it has a walk-in closet right here. Ta-da! Okay, coming around to the kitchen. The washer dryer corner are here, and then there's a breakfast nook, and then this cozy kitchen with cookies I made myself, and then back to the formal dining area. That's where we walked into the hallway to the bedrooms and the bathroom. All right. Now there's a little gem here that is an office. Now why is it an office? Because it used to be an office. Unfortunately you can't see it because we had to stack stuff out from the house, but it has a separate door that comes out from the driveway. So if you had a small business and wanted to entertain people at home, you can have them come in through that door without accessing the house. Pretty cool feature. All right, moving on through the backyard. It's a 1,370 square foot house. No, 1,473 square foot house. We're back in the yard. Here is that driveway. There's the office and the door to it. And here is a carport and oversized garage. So this is just like awesome. And then the previous owners loved to entertain, so there is a hard-covered patio with fans. It's great for entertaining. A large yard for kids to play. They used to have a pool here, you know, underground, not the dug in, the above ground pool. And there's plenty more yard. If that shack and this was cleaned out, you would see actually how much more yard you get for that. So if you like planting stuff, that's the place to do it. There's a nice view of the house from the backyard. And then, as I said, an oversized garage, as they would say. Ta-da. And that's the view. It's not cleaned yet. They're going to remove all this, of course, prior to close of escrow. Okay, and the hidden gem for the end is the California basement, which is right down there. It's nice and clean and wide. There's a new water heater there. The 1922 original furnace works like a furnace. I mean, when this thing goes on, and it's regulated by a thermostat in the house gets hot in 3 minutes. You have to open windows. And then more storage space right there and there. All right, checking out of this house. Give me a call. This will go quickly. I hope to get it in escrow within a few days.